You okay? I don't even got a towel over here, man. Oh yeah, the camera. Na 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 na. Oh, vegetarian gnocchi with pesto barley. Nice, man. Hey, that can be really good, bro. Pasta can be vegetarian really easy. You don't always have to have meat with that. As long as you got the cheese and the herbs like basil and pesto, bro. You're the man. You're the man. Oh, yeah. 100% Greg. When should we do that? Should we do it in the weekend, bro? Or do you want to do it on the normal days? Legendary indeed. Greg is gifting his pack back to the community, guys. Much love, Wild Rose, and thanks for loving it too, Rumble Belly. So that's super generous of Greg, guys. He's a freaking legend, famo. Yeah, we got to take a look. Well, let's let a lot of people get in there. Was hoping on a new follower gets a dub. Yeah, that should be fun indeed, Rick. Maybe we can wait for the weekend then, or start Foodie Fam Friday with a giveaway brought back to Rick. What you want, bro? I think we're good then with that. Thank you, Party Bacardi. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, let's take a look if we can share some love with a little raid, guys. Legendary Greg, thank you for doing so much for the community, bro, and for being such a supportive and generous legend for me and my family and the community, of course, bro. So I need to turn off this as well over here.